little artists! Are you ready for another fun drawing? Today, we are going to draw a playground swing cradle. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw 2 pillars on both sides. These will hold the swing. Now, connect them with a top bar. That's where the swing will hang from. Time to add the chain ropes. Let's draw 4 ropes hanging down.
La da 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 dee.
Great! Now, let's draw a round-shaped cradle for sitting. Make sure to add a railing for safety. Finally, let's draw the ground with some grasses to make it look like a real playground.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome! Coloring time! Now, it's time to add some beautiful colors. Let's pick our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Our playground swing cradle looks so colorful and fun! Great job, everyone! Keep practicing and have fun drawing! Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color a super fun playground slider. Let's begin by drawing a triangle roof at the top. This is the playhouse roof. Now, draw a rectangle underneath the triangle to complete the playhouse. Draw 2 long pillars on both sides to hold the structure strong. Now, add the floor and a railing inside the playhouse. Let's draw a zigzag wavy pipe in the middle coming from the floor to the ground. This is a fun spiral ladder. Add the third pillar behind the pipe for extra support.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's draw a ladder with a railing on one side of the playhouse. Kids need a way to climb up. On the other side, draw a swirl slide that curves down, the most exciting part of the playground. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now, it's time to color. Here are the colors we will use. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Whoa! Our playground slider looks so fun and colorful. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.